Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the Samba Pad Ultar. It's a 3-in-1 wireless charger. I wonder if it's supposed to be Ultra, but I don't know, it says Ultar. But let's check this out and see what it is and how it works. It's got some weight to it, so this is kind of weighted down. I don't think it's a travel device, so let's see what we got. Check it out. Okay, the box is empty here, so it comes with its own little charger, which is going to be traditional USB, and it's going to go to USB-C, so that will be how it plugs in. Okay, so let's check it out here. So this is what it looks like. So it's got the little watch one and the charger for the phone here. Okay, now come on. Can I? There we go. There we go. Killed off. Okay. So the way it will work is we will plug this in, and this is for my watch here. I'll take off my watch. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So, there we go. So, is it charging? Yeah, there we go. See, it's charging. And I can put my phone on here. And there we go. It's charging as well. And, oh, did I not have it lined up correctly? Might not be lined. There we go. Now it's magnetized on there. I guess I was on the bottom half of the magnet, but there we go. Now it's magnetized. So we're good. So we're charging everything. So we can charge our phone, our watch, and then in here too, there's a little QR charger. So if you have the headphones, like on the picture, you can put the headphones down there. I lost my headphones, so I don't have them at the moment. I'll get them back. So I know where they are because I have to find my headphones. But that's it. This is the charger here. So when you go to sleep, you can have your little clock going and everything. And you got your watch, so good. And we're charging, so this is what we needed. So excellent. Gonna be on the bedstand tonight. Thumbs up.